Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Green with E. I'm Erin. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about Pacifica Beauty's pineapple skincare line. Specifically, I'm going to be trying out the pineapple cleanser. I do actually have a couple of their other products that I'm going to be reviewing as well, and so I'll put all of those videos in a playlist once I get them made. I've also got the bubble mask, the sheet mask, the serum, the mattifying spray, and I think one other product, I'm not too sure. I'll take a look. Alright, so we've got the Pacifica Beauty Pineapple Cleanser. This product is for oily and combination skin, and it is sulfate free. And pretty much those sulfates are what usually cause the over drying. Specifically here, I get pretty dry and then also around my nose. So I don't know if anyone else has some issues with that, but we'll see if maybe that helps. It's got the PETA Bunny on it, not the Leaping Bunny certification. It is a vegan product, as all Pacifica products are. They're all cruelty free and vegan. Basically, the difference is that with a product that is vegan, there's no products inside that come from an animal. They're not animal derived. One of the easiest examples is honey. It comes from a bee, so people who are vegan typically don't use or eat honey. While cruelty-free means that the product itself isn't tested on animals and the ingredients inside haven't been tested on animals, so while they're developing and making the product, no animals are harmed in the process, as far as animal testing goes. We always love both of those things here at Be Green with E. As well, I ran this product through an app called Cruelty Cutter. It's made by the Beagle Freedom Project, and I'm going to go ahead and make a video as well about them and the app itself, because they're fantastic. Basically, you can scan any product, and if they have it in their database, they'll let you know if it's cruelty-free, it's tested on animals, if the parent company is tested on animals. If they don't have the data on that product, then they'll just, you can fill out some information and send it to them, and they will send an inquiry to the company to find out if it's cruelty-free or not. As well, the product itself is recyclable. You can either recycle the tube and the cap once it's clean in your local recycling, or if you can't recycle number 5 plastic, then you can actually go to their website online. We'll show you how you can order a free shipping label, and you can ship them your products and they'll recycle it for you. Alright, well, I guess enough talking about the product. We'll go ahead and go use it and see how it works. Well, hey guys, now we are, in my lovely bathroom. It's extremely tiny and the lighting is not very good, but we're gonna, make do with what we have here. So it says, when your skin feels like an oil slick, we've got your back. Actually, your face. Good one, Pacifica.
This gel-based cleanser contains tons of natural extracts to get the job done right the first time without over-drying, as we mentioned before, because it's sulfate-free. Use morning and night. Apply to damp skin in a circular motion, rinse. Every true beauty knows it's what's on the inside that matters. Formulated without petroleum, parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. Phthalates.
I don't know how you say that. I'm just gonna do like a quarter size, and a little drop on my hand here. Turn off the water while you wash your face, as to not be wasteful. It tingles a little bit, not a lot to where it's burning, but I feel it on my face. And there are a few spots that I was picking at today where it does burn a little bit in there. So Pacifica has their own serum in this line. It's called Pineapple Quench. It's an oil-free water serum. I say to apply moisturizer afterwards. I'm gonna see how my face feels for a couple of minutes. If it does feel dry, I'll go ahead and apply this, and then I can always give you more information about this in another video. Obviously, it's going to work different for different skin types, so this one is targeted for oily and combination skin types. If you're like me, it's kind of, a mix, then I would highly recommend trying out this product. So cons, as I mentioned, it did irritate a little bit, but only on places where I did have open, skin, places where I had maybe been picking at earlier in the day, but that's kind of my own fault. I need to stop picking at my skin anyways. But other than that, I really don't have anything bad to say about it. Pros, made my skin soft, smelled fantastic. It doesn't feel like there's any residue left on my face. It feels like it's very clean, and I think that this would be a fantastic product to use in the morning. This is going to give you a really nice radiant glow as soon as you walk out the door in the morning. It smells fresh, it wakes you up. I did have to use a little bit of the Pineapple Quench serum on my face, but that itself is a really light moisturizer. So in combination with the Pineapple Cleanse, I would highly recommend using the Pineapple Quench, which I will have have a video up with a little bit more detail about that very soon, because it did just, you know, need a little bit of refreshing whenever I was done, but that's pretty typical for my skin. As well, this product, it kind of meets everything that we look for, not just being cruelty free, but as well it's environmentally friendly. And I think that this product really meets a lot of those standards. The company itself really puts forth an effort to make sure that they're keeping the environment clean and not polluting it with their products. As I mentioned, you can send your products back to them for them to recycle, and they make the whole product, the cap, the bottle, everything is recyclable. I don't know what that wave symbol means. I think it has something to do with, you know, ocean friendly. They really care about the environment, they care about animals, they care about the product that you're putting on your face, because they don't put a lot of those harsh and you know, potentially harmful ingredients in there. This isn't like, you know, the same price as, you know, the regular stuff that you would maybe get at a drugstore. It might be a few dollars more expensive. I think I got the entire, you know, line, the 4 or 5 products that I have, for around $40 or $50. It's not the most inexpensive product, but it's definitely worth it, and I wouldn't say that it's, you know, a high-end product by any means. I mean, as far as the price goes, the quality is fantastic. They're definitely, you know, worth any extra that you might be spending if you're switching over from something that's maybe not cruelty-free or maybe not as environmentally friendly. We love things that are cruelty-free here and environmentally friendly, so this gets the Be Green with E seal of approval. I hope that you guys enjoyed as much as I did. Go out there and try this product if it sounds like it's gonna help you. I can't wait to use more products and review them for you guys. I am hoping to get some more content out there as soon as possible. Like I said, a new video every week or two, more if I can be diligent. Overall, our goal is to promote cruelty-free products, vegan products if possible, and products that come from companies who care about the environment like Pacifica does. Like and subscribe, and you can comment below. Let me know what your favorite Pacifica Beauty product is if you guys use them, or if you guys aren't familiar with Pacifica, go ahead and leave me a comment with your favorite cruelty-free product. That way I can go ahead and try to do a review myself of the product. Or if you have any DIY recipes you're wanting me to do, if you have any tips or tricks that you'd like to know, just leave a comment below and hit that little bell that's next to the subscribe button. That way you can see whenever I come out with the whole rest of the line, or the rest of the line that I have for the Pacifica pineapple skincare line. So let's be kind to our animals, let's be kind to our oceans, and let's support companies that care as much as we do. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. I really enjoyed making this video, and I can't wait to make more. Bye!